Bitcoin is pumping right now to the upside, but can we sustain this upside move, or we will fall back to the downside? This and more I want to talk about in this video today. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's jump here directly into the charts. So yesterday, as you remembered, I had told you that we were here potentially forming a bigger M pattern, and lo and behold, we had seen a breakdown from the neckline here to the downside, and we almost hit here our target. So the target was here all the way down at $31,600, but we went only to $32,100. So, and we only wicked down to this level and then came straight back up. And this was because in this $32,800, $32,000 level is a lot of support. And we got supported there, and that pushed the price now back to the upside. And we can see that we have a lot of support along that line from this zone here, also here where we bounced nicely off, then here initially, but then we broke under it. Then here it was support again, here, and now we have seen the same thing again in this section here. And that's also the reason why we got here now this nice pump here to the upside. So, but the question is, do we continue now to pump to the upside, or we just go sideways and then potentially fall down again? So that is something that I want to talk about in this video today. And I believe that based on other things that are unfolding here in the chart, that we could see potentially here a higher move to the upside. And that is, for example, based on the stochastic RSI here in the 4-hourly chart, because we got a really, really nice bounce of the signal line here to the upside with our blue trend line, which is a good indicator for more upwards movement. And the other indication is that we dropped off here also on the 4-hourly chart. We dropped out of this ascending triangle. So we broke it to the downside. And I have now here put both technical targets to the up and to the downside on it. So now, based on that we broke out of it to the downside, the technical target would be normally all the way down here by $29,676. So, but like I said, even unbiased, I have to say we are looking here more bearish than bullish right now. I still believe that there is a chance that the price action comes back up here into the ascending triangle and continues its way to the upside. But for now, in the immediate short term, I believe what we could see, and that is where I also will potentially open another trade and close my long positions, will be this line here. Because it is likely that we come back up here, test this as resistance, and then actually continue to drop lower here, and then eventually also all the way down to the technical target. So here I'm waiting now for a retest of this line, so that is around the $34,100 level. So, and from there we have to reassess the situation if we actually break back into the triangle, or if we get rejected and move here then to the downside. So this can happen in the next couple of hours, and we get this retest because Bitcoin is pushing here strongly to the upside right now, or we get it over the weekend. Here is also still, even if we fall that low, I have also a bullish scenario, even if that we would drop down to $29,000. So, and that is a pattern that I've discovered earlier today. So, and it is possible that we are forming here a huge falling wedge. So we could form here a huge falling wedge here. And our former bear flag is, in my opinion, no bear flag anymore. It is now a downwards trending channel. So in this downwards trending channel, we are creating, here was a high. We are creating now lower highs all the time. Lower high, lower high, lower high, and also lower lows, more or less. So we had here a low, here a low, here a low, here a lower low, So, and that led to, in my opinion, to the belief that we form here a potential falling wedge. So, and the falling wedge is a bottoming pattern that indicates that we have to pinch at some point back to the upside. So, because the price action will squeeze here tighter and tighter in that falling wedge, and at some point it will just snap to the upside. So we are getting now really, really close to the downwards trending resistance line of this falling wedge, which is sitting right now at 34,162. And you see how beautiful this is lining up with just the chart that I've shown you before, where the resistance also sits around $34,000. And after that, we still have the resistance of the downwards trending resistance line of the downwards trending channel here. So we have two resistances, strong resistances that we are running into here right now. And it will be really, really hard for Bitcoin to actually break through it and continue its way to the upside. It's not impossible, but it will be really, really difficult. So, and the second resistance sits just 300. Okay, it sits at 34,975, 35,000. I would more say $35,000 is this resistance sitting here. So that gives us a new range. And let me put this in here. A new resistance level from 35 to 34. So we are running here in this heavy resistance zone here. And from there, we have to see what's going to happen. Personally, I will take profits in that region here with my trades that I have still open. As soon as we run here into this box, there I will start to take profits and tighten my stop loss. So just to make sure that I will walk away with profits here in my trades once we're getting here. So, and from there, I can reassess the situation. If we break eventually through it and continue our way to the upside, then that's fine, because I have still the trade running with some of my profits, but I will take around 50% out of the trade, so I get my my initial deposit out of the position. So, and if it turns around, then I'm protected by my stop loss and will also get out of the trade and walk away with some profit. So my stop loss I will potentially place here at the $33,700 region. So that's also where I opened the trade. So if I take 50% profit out of the trade and I get stopped out where I entered, then I walk away with 50% of my profit, which is absolutely fine. So, and let me know in the comments below today if you are trading these upcoming scenarios, either the bullish case or the bearish case, or even both cases, if both were unfolding. For example, the bearish case could be that we first drop down to 29,000 and then turn around and go all the way up to the $40,000 resistance, which is, in my opinion, still the strongest resistance. So, or if you would just short or long the market, let me know in the comments below. I want to enter in a discussion with you guys because I like the exchange in our community. So let me know in the comments below. So other than that, let me jump quick here into my trade and show you. So you can see here, my trade is right now beautifully in profits of around $10,000, $11,000. Yeah, close to $11,000, 33%. Since I added to my position here, my initial position, as you know, was $170,000. Now it's almost $500,000, my long position size. So that is close to 15 Bitcoin. And yeah, that is a beautiful trade right now. So, and like I said, I would take profits here at the $34,000 area. Then I have also a trade running here on Bybit. And don't forget, if you're an experienced trader and you want to trade the calls that I give here in my videos or on my Twitter handle, mycryptocoach, then just go to the pinned comment below, and there are my affiliation links to Bybit and to Phemex, and you can get an accumulated bonus of $1,800 with my affiliation links after you have initially made a deposit on one of these exchanges. So if you trade then with 30x leverage, that gives you approximately a $50,000 trade absolutely for free, but you have to make an initial deposit. So we just have to see here which scenario is is unfolding in the charts. So I lean here a little bit more to the bull case for now, that we will move here to the upside. But yeah, I have also shown you the bear case where we go to the downside. That's it already for today. Thank you for everyone that has tuned in again. I'm really thankful for each and one of you out there that is watching my videos and also liking my videos. Don't forget to smash up the likes again. Make some noise for the algorithm. The algorithm loves the noise from our likes. Click the subscribe button, click the notification bell if you're watching for the first time so that you get notified every time when I send a new video out. And you can also join my Telegram channel. You find it in the description below. And guys, as always, see you tomorrow. Just before I forget, for everybody that is wondering why I'm today not in my usual place, let me show you where I am today. Yeah, guys, let me show you where I am today. So as many of you know, Chris from AMCrypto and me, we're traveling most of the time together for a couple of months already, which is fun all the time. So at this time, we went to Ibiza and we rented here this massive mansion just for us. So let me show you here a little bit around. So this here is the living room area, a really nice piano. And then the back, I was just recording the video. There, under the stairs is the kitchen. There is the entrance. And here we have something absolutely stunning. Look at this, guys. Wow. We have here a massive pool. Even with sea view, if you can see it here in the back there. Some nice sea view. And also a nice sitting area over here. And also directly here at the pool over there. And we have here even, and that was actually the reason why we took it. No joke. We have here an amazing, people will call us crazy. We have here a sauna. We came here and took that villa because we have a sauna and can go after our gym here for a nice sauna bath. And here's the shower for the sauna. So up there is Chris living right now. So my room is over there. Yeah, and we are enjoying our time here in Ibiza with this fantastic view, the fantastic pool. And I hope you have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.